Welcome students. Today another important topic. The students where feels uncomfortable to attempt the question from the organic end. There also the major important aspect is about the organic chemistry is the named reactions. Under the named reactions, first is the alphabet A begins with the aldol condensation. Most of the examination, the aldol condensation and related or applicable questions are going to ask in the examinations. Then today's discussion is about aldol condensation. Here, first of all, need to know about what is condensation. It is the opposite phenomenon of the addition reaction. Addition is nothing but when a reactants are getting converted to products. If there is no byproducts at all, that we call as a addition reaction. But condensation is nothing but while the reactants are getting converted to product, is there any small molecules like a water molecule, like a ammonia molecule, any of the smaller molecule is forming as a byproduct that we call as a condensation. Condensation, there is a byproduct. Addition, there is no byproduct. That is the theme. Now, coming to about aldol, the name itself, ald means aldehyde, ol means alcohol. That means in a single molecule, both the functional group, that is carbonyl compound, either the aldehyde or ketone, and alcoholic functional group containing compounds are called as a aldol, aldehyde and alcohol. Now, what is the prime importance and what are the key points regarding the aldol condensation? Now, the definition is the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds is nothing but what? Aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. What is the prime importance? There should be at least one alpha hydrogen atom. Carbonyl compound collectively known as aldehyde or ketone. Aldehydes are ketones which containing at least one alpha hydrogen undergoes condensation in presence of whether dilute base NaOH or KOH or Na2CO3 or NaHCO3 or a dilute acid like a dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. Aldehyde or ketone which containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergoes condensation in presence of dilute base like dilute NaOH or dilute KOH or dilute Na2CO3 or dilute NaHCO3. If the acid catalyzed, if it is given dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, those are the conditions that we call as the reagents. Then, which formed one is the beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. Very important one. How can we check whether the given reaction is aldol or not? Nothing but aldol means a beta position. Alpha means what? Functional group next to carbon atom. Beta is a alpha, that is a functional group next to carbon is called alpha and the next carbon is called as a beta. Then the beta hydroxy carbonyl compound is forming. Carbonyl compound is aldehyde or ketone. Then this which is on heating, loss of water molecule, byproduct is forming. By the loss of the water molecule, they forms alpha comma beta unsaturated. Alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl compound formation reaction is known as a aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes or ketones which containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergoes condensation in presence of dilute base such as 10% NaOH or KOH or Na2CO3 or NaHCO3, or if the acid reagent is given dilute acid such as HCl and H2SO4 in presence of such reagent which forms a beta hydroxy carbonyl compound, this is called as a aldol, which on heating by the elimination of the water molecule, a alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl compound forming reaction is known as a aldol condensation reaction. Then here, by taking one example, we are going to reveal this and the key points we are going to write. Here, first of all, I am going to take for the aldol condensation is a CH3C double bond OH. What is the name of this one? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is a common name, and IUPAC name is the two carbons with aldehyde is called ethanol. Here, first of all, we need to check the key, that is alpha hydrogens are there or not. Functional group, this is the aldehydic functional group is there. The functional group next to carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon atom carrying hydrogen atoms are called alpha hydrogen atom. Here, acetaldehyde which containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of dilute NaOH is given. Need to check whether the reaction is passes through the aldol condensation or not, that we need to check, important. Here dilute base is given and alpha hydrogen atom containing aldehyde is given. That's what it surely goes via aldol condensation. Then immediately you just take the two molecules of the reactant. Hence here the two carbon atoms originally is present, again the 2 moles is there. That's what we need to write. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last carbon atom aldehyde as it is. This is a functional group where the functional group next carbon alpha, next carbon beta. On beta carbon atom what should be the formed product? OH, because of beta hydroxy butanol. Number of hydrogen atoms required for this one is a 2, and here is 1 and here is a 3. Important, IUPAC name of this is asked previously. Here is aldehyde is present, here is alcohol is present. Hence what we call this one is a aldol. What is the IUPAC name of this one? Or first the common name is a. Here on the beta position hydroxy group is present. Hence what we call beta hydroxy aldehyde is a formed one. The beta hydroxy aldehyde is a common name. What is IUPAC name? Let's give the priority number 1, 2, 3, 4. On the third carbon atom OH group is there. What we call 3-hydroxy. 3-hydroxy butanol. 3-hydroxy butanol is a common name, IUPAC name. Next, here is a aldehyde is a formed one. That's what we must need to heat it. Instead of the aldehyde, if the ketone is formed, no need required any heating. Simply it undergoes a dehydration elimination reaction, loss of H from the alpha carbon atom, OH from the beta carbon atom by the elimination of the water molecule. Here is the H and here is OH. That's what a double bond is established between alpha and beta position. CH double bond CH and C double bond OH. Alpha comma beta unsaturated product. Now what is the IUPAC name of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there. But2-enol. But2-enol is a formed product. But in the objective examination, instead of writing like this, we need to attempt the question within 30 seconds. If the aldol is concerned, then what we need to take? Here is a 1 mole is given. I am writing directly the product is a CH3CH double bond O. 1 mole of acetaldehyde. Another mole of the acetaldehyde. For the sake of my convenience, I am writing like this. CH3 becomes CH2H and here is a C double bond OH is given. Then what will happen? The step 1 what I am added? Dilute NaOH is added. And the step 2 what I needed? Heating is required. then immediately loss of water molecule H2O. Hence CH3, CH double bond CH and C double bond OH. Whether this reaction is proceeded via aldol condensation or not? Yes, because of there is alpha comma beta unsaturation is present. Hence it undergoes aldol condensation. Now, what the key steps required for the aldol condensation is one is there must be a aldehyde or ketone should be there. That means a carbonyl compound is required. Again, in that carbonyl compound, the key steps like in the previous examination they are given. Which of the following reaction is an example for new CC bond formation is asked question. The key is how can we identify whether it follows a aldol condensation. First one, what is the first one? Carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound must contain at least one alpha hydrogen atom. That's the first condition. Second condition, what should be the reagents? What are the requirements? The reagents is the reagents. One is a base catalyzed. Basic reagents are dilute solution of sodium hydroxide or dilute solution of potassium hydroxide, dilute solution of Na2CO3 or dilute solution of NaHCO3. Any of the solution acting as a dilute bases. In presence of dilute base, that is only the mechanism is differ, but except that all the products are similar. Whereas instead of that, if the acidic is given, acidic, what the reagents for the acidic is a dilute HCl and the second one is a dilute H2SO4. These are the reagents must require in aldol condensation. Next one, third key, that is with the help of this aldol condensation, it is an example for new CC bond formation. Very, very important one, which is asked previously in a multi-answer question. Which of the following reactions is an example for new CC bond formation is a question asked previously. That's what in aldol condensation there is a new CC bond formation will take place. And the fourth one is here the formed product is one aldol is forming. Aldol. Aldol means what? Beta hydroxy. Beta position hydroxy is there. Beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. And after that, what would be the formed product? Alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. These are the keys that are formed or that are the requirements in the aldol condensation reaction. One is the carbonyl compound, nothing but aldehyde or ketone, must need to contain at least one alpha hydrogen atom. Alpha already I am explained. The functional group next to carbon atom is called alpha. That alpha carbon atom need to carry at least one hydrogen atom. As far as the reagents is concerned, if the basic base catalyzed is taken, these are the reagents are required, any one. If the acid catalyzed aldol condensation is these are the required one. Instead of the dilute acids, if the concentrated is taken, the product is going to change. Here is also instead of the dilute bases, if the concentrated is given, the products are entirely differs. Now, this aldol condensation reaction is an example for the new CC bond formation. Here, earlierly we supposed that acetaldehyde, only the two carbon atoms are there. But the product is what? Alpha comma beta unsaturated, nothing but a 2-but-enol is a formed one. But two carbons we taken initially, but the end of the reaction 4 carbons are forming. Hence it is an example for the new CC bond formation. Next, aldol means
A beta position must carries, beta position should be there, a hydroxyaldehyde, and the formed product is a alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Then these are the keys, very important. In order to prepare or attempting for any examination, every named reaction is a makes us very difficulty, very confusion will takes place. That's what we must need to write a keys for each and every named reaction. That is a better advice to get or you fulfill your dreams. Now, let after the acetaldehyde, if the one more is taken, example under the aldol condensation previous question, CH3 CH2 C double bond OH is given. What we call 3 carbon atoms with aldehyde. What we call propanol or propanaldehyde, common name. And here is a given the reagent is a dilute or 10% of sodium hydroxide is given, or simply OH minus is also given. Don't get confused. Here need to check whether this passes via aldol condensation or not. Here functional group carbon atom is this one, aldehyde is there. Functional group next carbon atom is alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon atom carrying hydrogens or not? Yes, means alpha hydrogen atoms are present and dilute base is given. That's what which passes via aldol mechanism. But a student is failed to write the product. It is not simple as like as a acetaldehyde molecule. But here in order to get the next product is a aldol, means beta position should be aldehyde. Here is what, by taking the two molecules, then CH3 CH2 C, here is a OH and here is a H is presented over, now which is making bond with another CH CH3 and the C double bond OH. Look at the importance of this. One is this is a molecule I am writing like this. Another is like this, I am replacing another propanaldehyde molecule. Because of, in order to get the beta position, if for example 3 carbon atoms we wrote like this, what will come? Functional group next carbon alpha, next carbon beta, next carbon gamma. Gamma hydroxy compound will come, but aldol means beta hydroxy only. Functional group next carbon alpha, next carbon beta. Beta position hydroxy is there, that's what beta hydroxy. Beta hydroxy aldehyde is a formed one. Now it is aldehyde, that's what I need to do, simply heat it by the loss of water molecule, OH from this carbon atom and H from this carbon atom. Here loss of one bond from this carbon, loss of OH from this carbon atom, as a result a double bond is established between them. CH3 CH2 CH double bond C CH3 C double bond OH, where the unsaturation is present, alpha comma beta. 1 2 3 4 5. At the second position methyl group is there, 2 methyl 2 what 1 2 3 4 5 pentenol. 2 methyl 2 pentenol is IUPAC name. This is a classical, but in order to write within fraction of second, one molecule propanaldehyde CH3 CH2 C double bond OH propanaldehyde. Another molecule of the propanaldehyde, just replace this the carbon atom and keep like this, CH3 and C double bond OH. Condition 1, what should be the condition 1? 10% of sodium hydroxide. Second condition, heating. What we need to remove? Loss of H2O molecule. What will happen? Here this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Here the two bonds will lost by this carbon atom and two hydrogen lost by this carbon atom. Results a double bond is established between them. Hence alpha comma beta unsaturated product is forming. Very important one. Very important. If the two carbon atom, here the 3 carbon atoms, here is also 3 carbon atoms is given, but the alpha carbon atom loses hydrogen. Next example, very important. I am going to write, one is a classical, another one is a objective matter. Within fraction of second, how one can able to write. Next example. Here two examples under consideration of mine which is belongs to the aldehyde family. Now I am moving to ketone. CH3 C double bond O CH3. What we call this one? Acetone. Are also called 2-propanone. Here in presence of, like what is given, dilute OH minus is given. OH minus means what? Base. What is the role of a base? From where the H plus ion will come easily, there it accepts the H plus ion, that is comes under mechanism, but the aldol condensation mechanism will come in the next two future videos. Here OH minus is the dilute is given, functional group next carbon atom alpha containing 3 hydrogen atom. Here is also alpha, 3 hydrogen atoms are containing, that means carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen atom, and dilute base is given. Then I need to write what would be the aldol product. Instead of writing the classical, I am going to write directly CH3. Here I am writing CH3 for the sake of my convenience, one molecule of acetone. Another molecule of acetone, CH2H C double bond O CH3 is given. Then condition 1 is given, dilute OH minus. If the heating is given or not, it doesn't factor because it is a ketone. Hence, what we need to lose? Loss of water molecule. Simply. Hence, what would be the formed product? CH3, CH3 double bond, CH, C double bond O, CH3. Very important one. Whether it is aldol condensation or not. Yes, functional group next carbon atom alpha, next carbon atom is a beta. Hence, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that is a ketone, is a formed. Hence, it is a aldol condensation. Next one. For example, a molecule is given like this manner. Very important one. Here, dilute OH minus ion is given. Dilute, not concentrated. Then, I want to write what is the formed product, like this is given. In the entrance examination, they never used to ask the mechanism or the definition. Here, functional group next carbon atom alpha. Alpha carbon atom will containing the hydrogen atoms or not? Yes. Here is also C is there, that means the two hydrogen atoms are present on alpha position. Alpha hydrogens are there, carbonyl compound is given, dilute base is given. That's what, how many molecules that I need to take? 2 molecules. Then can you guess what would be the formed product in this reaction? C double bond O. Here is establishes SC double bond. Here by taking the 2 molecule, functional group next carbon alpha, next carbon beta. Alpha comma beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is forming. Next one. Here please try to practice this cyclohexanone. Cyclopentanone is over. Cyclohexanone. Here dilute solution of OH minus ion is given. Please try to practice and mention under description box what would be the formed product. Next. Try to practice. Next, after aldol condensation, now if the aldol condensation is taking place between 2 different carbonyl compound, that we call what? Crossed aldol condensation. If the only one type of the carbonyl compound is taken, acetaldehyde is over, propanaldehyde is over, acetone is over, the same type, both are the same type of the carbonyl compounds are participated in earlier case, that we call simply as a aldol condensation. But if the aldol condensation that is taking place between 2 different carbonyl compounds, that we call as a crossed aldol condensation. In crossed aldol condensation, one may be participated by the alpha hydrogen, another is a aldehyde, may be ketone. Let's check. Mixed are also called crossed. CH3 C double bond OH. Another one CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. Then very important one, case 1. dilute OH minus ion is given, case 2 heating is given. How many products are formed? Here is a carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound, both are the aldehyde. Alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Alpha hydrogen atoms are present in the both the cases. Means both will participate in aldol condensation. But both are the different. One is a acetaldehyde, another is a propanaldehyde. How many products that are going to form is the first one. Here, while happening this reaction, maybe acetaldehyde combines with another mole of the acetaldehyde that we call self-condensation product. Under the self-condensation product, what would be the formed product? CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond, OH. Does it self or mixed? Self. 2 carbon atoms are there, it becomes 4 carbon atom. Functional group next carbon alpha, unsaturation is present between alpha and beta. Obviously that we call as alpha comma beta. And the second product that we are going to expect, if the one propanaldehyde may undergoes a condensation with the same propanaldehyde molecule, what would be the formed product? CH3, CH2, CH double bond C, CH3, C double bond OH. Does it a aldol product or not? Yes. Why? Because functional group next carbon alpha. Unsaturation is established between alpha and beta. That's what it is. Does it a mixed product or self product? Self product. Third product is a very important one, crossed one. Acetaldehyde may proceeds propanaldehyde. What is the thing? From here is oxygen, from here is a 2 hydrogen atom, that's all, alpha position. CH3, CH double bond C, CH3, C double bond OH. Here, does it aldol product or not? Yes, alpha comma beta unsaturation. That's what aldol product. Next one, fourth product is a propanaldehyde may follows acetaldehyde. What the formed one? CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH and the C double bond OH. This is crossed aldol condensation. One is acetaldehyde may combines with propanaldehyde. Acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde both are different carbonyl compound. Two different carbonyl compounds which undergoes aldol condensation that we call crossed aldol condensation. In that case, a maximum of the 4 products are expected. The first 2 products that we call as a self-condensed product, and the next 2 products is called as a crossed products or mixed product. That is a aldol or crossed aldol condensation reaction. Now it's time to discuss intramolecular aldol condensation. Intra means what? The condensation which is taking place within the molecule is called as a intramolecular. Inter means if that is taken place in between 2 molecules, that we call as a intermolecule. But we are discussing here is the intramolecular aldol condensation. Means what? The aldol condensation taking place within the molecule. Earlier case, the only one type of the aldehyde we considered, are the 2 different that we call as a crossed or mixed, whereas now is the intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. Aldol condensation reaction with dicarbonyl compounds. 2 carbonyl compounds, either the 2 aldehyde or 2 carbonyl compound, or one is that, another is this one. 2 carbonyl compound is at 1, 6th position, or 1, 7th position, or 2, 5 position, or 2, 6 position, can be used to make a alicyclic alpha beta unsaturated compound. Everywhere in aldol condensation, the resultant is the same, alpha beta unsaturated. Then let us take one example. Is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are there. Hexane. At the second position, 1 ketone is there. At the 5th position, another ketone is there. Hex 2, diol, 2, 5 diol. For the sake of our convenience, which can be written like this. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 carbon atoms are present. At the second position and the fifth position, 2 ones are present. In the presence of another base like a ethoxide ion, it's a ethoxide ion is taken as a base. Hence, here is also what? The functional group next carbon atom is alpha. Next carbon atom is a beta. Alpha comma beta unsaturated is developed. Next one. Here is the functional group is present at the 2, 6 position. Here we know well 5 carbon containing ring is more stable as well as the 6 carbon containing cyclic ring is a more stable than these. That's what. Whether it is a 1, 6 or 1, 7 or 2, 5 or 2, 6, if the dicarbonyl compounds are present, then the preferred alicyclic ring containing 5 carbon atoms or 6 carbon atom because both are the stable one. Here is also intramolecular aldol condensation is taken place. That's what functional group next carbon atom is alpha, next carbon atom is a beta. Alpha comma beta unsaturated compounds are forming. For example, this is over aldol, crossed aldol and intramolecular aldol condensation. For example, if the formaldehyde is given and the dilute base is given, can you expect the product in such case? Check yourself only. Here is a CH2O is given, formaldehyde, not concentrated base, dilute base is given. Does it undergo aldol condensation? Next one. Here benzaldehyde is given, benzaldehyde, C double bond OH is given, the same dilute base is given. Can you expect the product? They may ask you like, which of the following will not undergo aldol condensation? Such kind of the products. Or here a furfural is given. Can you expect the product under aldol condensation? Can you expect? Yes. Why? No. Why? Because the key point is only one carbon atom is present. The structure is like this, C double bond OH and H, formaldehyde or methanol. Only one carbon atom. Next its adjacent carbon atom is not there. Absence of alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon atom is not there is nothing but obviously the alpha hydrogens are not there. That's what which does not undergo aldol condensation. Where benzaldehyde is given, benzaldehyde, here is the structure is like this. Okay, here the functional group next carbon atom alpha carbon atom is there. But as far as the valency of this carbon atom is concerned, 1 bond, 2 bonds, 3 bonds and 4 bond. There is no hydrogen atom. That's what which is also not undergoes aldol condensation. Here is a furfural is given. Here is a carbon atom is present. Functional group is here. The next carbon is alpha. Alpha carbon atom having 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are completed. Here is also lack of the hydrogen atom. Hence, which is also not undergoes aldol condensation. Like this, you just practice most of the questions related to the aldol condensation. If you feel uncomfortable in any care, please try to post under comment box. Immediately I am going to resolve that problem and I will send you appropriate answer. Thank you very much.